Hey everyone, it's Carrie. How are you? I wanted to just jump on and do a quick video this morning talking about the full moon tonight and also making sure that you are harnessing the energy of the full moon to use it in energy clearing, okay? So I'm just trying to share this in my group. Give me 1 second and then I'll get started. Excellent. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, hi Laurie, you know me. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Carrie Miller. I'm a Feng Shui expert, and I show women how to arrange their surroundings so that they are set up for joy, ease, and prosperity, and that they support all of those things in their life. One of the tools that I use as part of Feng Shui is energy clearing, and I wanted to talk about it today. I've actually been talking about it all week, really, in my group, which you're invited to join. It's Feng Shui for Joy, Ease, and Prosperity. We have a full moon coming up. It is a powerful, energetic time, and it's a really powerful tool to kind of bring into your energy clearing process. And so I wanted to talk about 3 quick ways that you can bring it in, or that you can utilize it when you're feeling like your space is a little stuck or you're feeling a little stuck. So let's get started. Yes. So first of all, full moon, when it's full, step outside and give yourself a personal energy clearing. The energy of the full moon is, it's really powerful in realigning us with earth energies. Women especially, we forget how in alignment with the cycles of the moon that we are, and so when you give yourself time to step out under the full moon and just kind of absorb some of that energy and honor and appreciate the moon for what it is, it's really powerful, and it's very cleansing energetically to you and your personal energy and your personal aura. And so I highly recommend that level of energy clearing. Before you do an energy clearing on your space or on somebody else or on, anything, you should really make sure that your energy is clear and that you've, cleared yourself as well. And the full moon is a great tool for that. So also the full moon is wonderful as a clearing tool for the tools that you have or that you use in your clearings or in your practices. So if you use crystals or you use bells, all of those different tools you can really put on the windowsill under the full moon overnight to absorb the energy of the full moon and be cleared by that powerful energy of the night sky. Somebody that I was talking with yesterday was saying, somebody who has a massage studio, I think it was, I can't remember. Anyway, so they were talking about how in their massage studio they have crystals underneath the massage bed, and every night they will put them out and clear them, or they will do a clearing on the crystals before the next day. The full moon is a really powerful way to help clear those energies. Crystals are something that are known to absorb energies. They can absorb negative energies. They can send out different energies that will align you with different things. And so, some of them can actually soak up the energy that's around. And so if there's negativity in the space, they will soak that up. It's great to clear that off by putting them under the full moon. There are other ways to do it too, but we're talking about the full moon today. And if you have bells or tools, even your sage stick or other things, it's great to just put those out and let those get kind of christened by the moon. And the third thing I want to say is it's really powerful to use the energy of the moon to charge some water. So you can take some tap water, you can take some river water, you can take some filtered water, put it in a glass jar and put it on the windowsill and let it just kind of soak up the energy of the moon overnight. I use charged water as when I blend my own cleaning mixes. I use it in energy clearing sprays that I will use when I do energy clearings. Sometimes I might drink a little bit of it too. So it really is a powerful way to really absorb that energy and be able to just amplify the cleaning that you're doing, the energy clearing that you're doing, and even just amplify your own personal energy. It is, it's really a fun thing to do. I like to do this every month when the moon is full, and I am really embracing this year the sacredness of the earth and the sky and all the rituals and practices that are part of Feng Shui and energy clearing, and just making your home an energetically uplifting and energizing space that supports you. So I've been doing a lot of that practice on my own, in my own home, and I can totally feel the difference. I encourage you to try these things. If you are familiar with energy clearing, you can certainly use today under the full moon to do a smudging or any type of energy clearing of your own space. It's a powerful time to do it, and it's great to give your space just kind of like an energy cleanup once a month on the full moon. I talked yesterday about, I did a video yesterday about some times when it's not appropriate to do energy clearing on your own. I really recommend, that you keep your own energy in your space clear regularly, that you do it yourself regularly. But also there are times when you bring in somebody who has a different level of expertise and different tools to use to clean and clear on a different level. And so if you're feeling like your space maybe is feeling heavier than usual, or your normal clearing isn't doing the job that you want it to, I'm certainly available for energy clearings. I do them both on site and remotely, and I would love to talk to you about what your needs are. I will post a link to my calendar, and we can set up a discovery call and just chat about what's going on. So happy full moon, everybody. Have a great weekend, and I will see you again next week. Take care.